has been a generally encouraging start to 2024. Mortgage rates are falling and confidence among buyers and sellers is increasing. Monthly upticks in prices reflect this optimism, alongside growing sales and rising stock levels. Consumer confidence is on the upswing, with buyer demand gaining momentum. The Bank of England has held the interest rate at 5.25%, and the general view is that we are at the top of the rate rise cycle. Current forecasts are that interest rates will begin to be cut in the second half of 2024 and are expected to be below the 5% forecast back in September. With a brightening outlook, Moneyfacts reports that the average 2-year fixed mortgage rate fell from 5.93% at the start of January to 5.56% in February, the biggest monthly decrease since December 2022. Falling mortgage rates, wage growth, outstripping inflation and a strong labour market are supporting increasing confidence among buyers and sellers. According to the Halifax HPI, house prices were up 2.5% in January compared to the same month last year, the strongest annual growth rate in a year, adding to the tentative signs of recovery for the housing market. Both the Halifax and nationwide indices showed month-on-month house price growth in January at 1.3% and 0.7% respectively, as the market gains momentum. In the southwest, annual price growth is beginning to pick up. In Q4 2023, annual growth was -2.9%, an improvement from -6.3% the previous quarter. Despite an unsteady 2023, house prices are still 23%, the equivalent of £52,899, above December 2019 levels. Market conditions are increasingly positive in early 2024, with metrics for buyer demand, sales and new instructions all turning positive in January for the first time in a while. According to RICS, there are also more homes available for sale, with an average 41 properties per surveyor in January, the highest level since March 2022. Easing inflation and falling mortgage rates mean that confidence is increasing, with 57% of estate agents saying that the rate of withdrawals has decreased in the last 3 months. Top-end sales have shown resilience, with the proportion of sales over £1 million steady, accounting for 3% of sales in 2023 compared to 3.2% in 2022. Increased interest rates have put cash buyers in a strong position, accounting for 32% of sales in 2023 compared with 20% on average between 2017 and 2022. In the southwest, the prime markets of Plymouth and Gloucester are currently the best performing. Spring is the season of new beginnings and a great time to get your property on the market. Increased sunshine and blooming gardens make homes more appealing. One of the prime reasons for home sales, Rightmove reveals that properties sell the fastest in spring, an average of just 51 days over the last 5 years compared to 61 days in winter. Over the same period, HMRC reports that 27% of sales took place in spring, the highest of all the 4 seasons.